Hello friends, this is Sandipan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can set up your Python coding environment in Sublime Text. So as you know, in the previous video I have also shown the setup for VS Code, so you can follow any one of these two, but it's always good to know the alternatives and options as many as possible. So without any further ado, let's dive into the topic. So in the previous video, we have seen how we can set up our Python coding environment in VS Code. Now for many reasons, many people may not want to install VS Code, so we can use Sublime Text there, a more lighter text editor to set up our Python coding environment. So for this video, I assume that Python is already installed in your machine and you should not face any problem if you have already watched my previous videos. So make sure that Python is installed in your machine and let us move ahead to the browser to download Sublime. The download link will be given into the description. Open the link and select the installer as per your machine configuration. I am choosing this Linux for 64-bit version for my Linux machine. If you are a Windows user, you have to choose that one for Windows. So this will download the compressed file. Now you have to install the editor manually. Now if you are a Linux user, you can download it from the Snap Store also. Just open the Snap Store. Search with the keyword Sublime. Then choose that one and click the install button, and this will install the Sublime in your machine. For Windows, the installation process is also pretty easy. Just run the .exe file, the installer, follow the consecutive steps, and that will install the Sublime Text on your machine. Now after installing, open the Sublime Text. Now what we have to do, just follow my steps carefully. So here in the menu bar, click on the tools, then go to build system and you can see automatic is set. So whenever I will create a file, the build system will automatically set based on the file extension. So in this case, if we create a Python file, it will automatically build the file for Python. So first let me open a folder there to create Python files. Now let's create a Python file named hello_world.py. Now let's write a sample code to print hello world in the terminal. Now as you can see, the file is automatically detected as a Python file, and now let's build it. So go to tools and then click the build button. Also you can use the shortcut Ctrl+B to build the file. And as you can see, it successfully executed the file and shown the output there. Now to perform input operation, you have to install a third-party package, namely Sublime REPL. But before that, let's first learn how to install a third-party package in Sublime. So to install a package, go to Tools tab and then go to this command palette option. Now here type in the keyword package control, and as you typed, you can see this option package control install package. Click on that option. Now type Python, and as you type, you can see various packages are there to support coding in Python. Now if you check here, you will see many helpful packages are there like Python breakpoints, completions, also Kite is there, you can see, which gives the support of AI powered auto completions and is a great tool to use. Just look over the packages and install the one that you like. Now type Sublime REPL, SUBLIME and you have to install this one. Just click on that and you can see at the bottom left corner the installing status is showing. Now after installing, let's create another Python file to perform some input operations. So let's write the code. Now go to tools, then at the end you can see this Sublime Rebel button. Click on that, then choose the Python and then choose Python run current file. And as you do that, a new window will be opened which is interactive, and here you can input the number. So let me input 12, press enter, and yeah, you can see the output is showing as expected. So these are some important steps to follow up. Now, for better experience while coding in Python, I suggest two more packages to install in Sublime. The first one is Anaconda, not the Anaconda distribution of Python, and that is mainly used for data science. It is just a Sublime package with the same name. And another one is Kite that I have already talked about. So download the packages in the similar way we have done already. So going to tools, then command palette, then package control, install packages, then search for Anaconda, and then click on that. You can see it's installing. And now let's write a code. First make a new file there. As you start typing the code, you can see it gives me the features of completion, docs, and many more useful stuffs. And the output is also showing as expected. So let's move to the next one, that is Kite. So first install it. So installation is completed, and if I type some code there, you can see it adds more completions and intelligence to our code. So these are some ways to run Python files in Sublime Text. But if you think running Python files in Sublime is a headache, here is the ultimate solution for you. So after writing the code in Sublime Text, just open the folder in your terminal if you are using Linux, or command prompt if you are using Windows. So let me do that. And here if you type ls or dir for command prompt, you can see the file is there. So if Python is already installed in your machine, you can just type the command python space the file name, which in this case say userinput.py, and press enter. So this will run your file and the output will be also as expected. So even when you run more complex codes like running a Django web server, this way you have to run your code. So in this way you can set up your Python coding environment in Sublime Text in both for Windows and Linux. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you find this video very helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends so that I can create more such helpful contents. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that none of the videos will be missed out. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.